Hello and welcome back to City Skylines Vooperia City. Gotta keep track of my city names here. So last time we were just building up the size of the city pretty much. I'm not sure if we have... Oh, we do have cargo train terminals now. Fantastic. That's very good for us. Wait, that's a Steam-made one? No, it says built-in. Huh. So we are actually going to have to put one of those down for our industry, but the question is which industry? We have a lot of industry, but I think over here we can build into a huge center for industry, and then we can connect them up to here. But to do that, we should also have some pretty good highway connections. I kind of feel like making a highway that goes out from here in both directions, or maybe just from here to go out so that we can go over here and maybe like through here and around. That'll be really expensive and complicated though. How many spots can I buy? How many areas do I have available? Let's see. If I were to buy this first. Oh, yep, I can get 2? Yes, okay, perfect. So what we will do is we will plan this out. I'm gonna put another... Let's find a flat area. This area is pretty flat. It's right next to the railway as well. Go ahead and rip that down. And let's see if we can get another turbine interchange, which we can. Beautiful. Right there, fantastic. Now we just have to connect everything up again. Easy, easy to do. Bam. Oh shoot, I forgot all the roads in this map are 4-lane actually. Okay, well, we will fix that in a second. There we go, and now upgrade every main road here. Put on some road anarchy to make it a little bit easier. There we go, fantastic. Are these highways 3 lanes? So, are we merging in from a 4-lane to a 3-lane over here? Oh, we are, aren't we? That's 4. And somewhere it's going to 3. Well, where is that happening? That's still 4. Here it turns to 3. So, you know, let's beef that up a little bit. Accidentally knocking down buildings as we go. It's all another normal day in a Vooperian city. Nothing can stop progress. Yeah, there we go. And now... Is this 4-lane? I made this 4-lane. Yeah, and then this is still going out 4-lane all the way up. Yep. Okay, that's all set. This isn't, though. Is it? Oh, no, it is. I did that properly. I did that properly. So I think that's all set now. Fantastic. All very good. And now this is where I want to curve in to make it connect over here. So we have kind of a circle going on. Not really a circle, some sort of shape going on. So let's figure out how that's gonna work. I need to figure out how the interchange is gonna go. Oh, you know what? If I actually... Oh, that one looks cool. 1 second. This one looks awesome. A Y? Oh, that's absolutely massive, though. Oh, that goes in 3 directions. That's pretty awesome. I could have done that over here. So I could make that split into 2. Whoa! You know, I'm actually gonna do that. That looks awesome. We'll make this split into 2, and we can have more city over here as well. We will up our road game. This way we have 3 lanes though, so we have to upgrade these. I want this to be the 1,000,000 population city, so gotta be able to handle a lot of traffic. Fantastic. So now that's gonna split out. And then this is going to go over here where we want it to go. So this is gonna raise up 12. Same here. This one's gonna be flipped. And just temporarily, we go ahead and bam. Bam. They go over that, and then we bring... Actually, we want it to be in the air, lifted, so that's fine. We're gonna have to make the roads go over these. Oh shoot, these should all be lifted, shouldn't they? So I've been trying to lift everything so that stuff can fit. Yeah. It's okay, we're just gonna redo this. There we go. If I can copy that again. Bring it down to here. And there. Fantastic. And now we can get roads under there. And then for the main interchange, we won't bother doing that. Great. That is very good. And now we're going to... Oh, you know what we could do? That'd be pretty insane. I just don't know how to properly do a, cutoff like that. It needs to be able to go to both lanes. Or does it? Huh. I'm thinking about what I want to do. This is actually really complicated to plan out because I don't want to use up all of my spit. Oh, I can raise these. Wait a minute. That may be exactly what I need. That would be absolutely ridiculous. But I'm gonna go for it. Oh my god, that would be amazing. That would be so amazing. Okay, we're gonna try this. This is going to be really expensive and it's going to be really ridiculous. But let's see if I can pull it off. The most amazing interchange ever. I have to figure out what height this is at. It's not quite high enough here, so it's gotta come up a bit more. I need to turn on... Oh, come on. You need to let me put a little bit... this may work. Let's see. If I put it down... right here... like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks fantastic. I just have to kind of fix these up. That's a little bit messy right there. But I am confident I can fix this to the point where it will be beautiful. Why is that going... It's fine. We'll figure this out. One thing at a time. This all needs to be upgraded. This should not be a bridge. How do I unbridgeify it? If I make it out of a ton of little pieces, it won't become a bridge. To find smart solution to the issues the game's gonna throw at us. There we go, that's all set. Now we have to fix these ends. Shouldn't be too hard. We'll just cut them off temporarily. And now we're gonna go bam, and we're gonna go bam. Although we don't want it to be a bridge, so we're gonna do it in little pieces. There we go. We're gonna get a single piece here. That's a little bit steep, but you know what? It's gonna work. Okay, that is not going to work. There we go. Flip the direction of that. Great. Well, that's a little bit bumpy. But you know what? I think... You know... It's fine. That's gonna be fine. Unless we want to, cut this down a little bit further. Start going up from here. I went up a little bit too high. Okay, fine. Make it even simpler then. Why is it putting a bump there? I never asked. I never asked for a bump. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks good. That's rather flat. And now the same right here. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. I'm making an interchange in a river. Oh my. You guys probably think I am absolutely insane at this point, although you probably already thought that. I have been, like, trying to take over the world and stuff, so it's okay, you know. It's part of the job. That is actually slight enough that it'll work. That is not. That is not going to work. That is. There we go. And now, finally, we just have to connect this up to here. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, that freaked it out a little bit. If I do it sooner, that's better. That's good too. Fantastic. And now we just have to upgrade this direction to the 4 lanes. Holy moly. This is absolutely insane. That has to be fixed. But we will fix it. Let's fix the power grid. Power grid has been slightly beat up in the process. Okay, now this. The final piece. I'm confident I can get it. The game isn't gonna make it easy, though. There we are. That's it. That's it. I did it. I made an interchange in the middle of the ocean. Eat it, other City Skylines YouTubers. You have never done something on this level. That right there is beauty. And now we'll end it off by going over our bridge. Now this is what I call city design. And now we bring it through as planned. Look at that. That is fantastic. Okay, so now we just have to bring this through the city. We'll drop it to 12 meters. Wow. This is absolutely ridiculous. There doesn't cover anything important. With a pillar, I think. Nope. Okay. It's a little bit further. And now we're gonna curve a little bit. And now we're gonna curve back. And what do you look at that? That's it. That is it. We have created the most beautiful highway system of all time. Look at that. It goes all the way through. Oh man, that makes me so happy. And now we can make ways for people to get all over the city, saving so much traffic. We can make offlets to major roads. Make inlets. This is fantastic. I am loving it. Think you guys are gonna like it too. Some of you guys said I wasn't willing to take risks. Well, look at this. This is risk-taking 101. This is the most beautiful risk you have ever seen. This is fantastic. If you can't tell, I'm very much enjoying this. And what else? I mean, that's already kind of got both lanes going in and off of there. So that's gonna be it, I think, for that, and let's see how people react to it. Oh, they're already using the new areas. This area isn't getting clogged up anymore. There's such an easy way to switch lanes now. They're going right around, merging. I want to see if anyone is using this, and they are. Look at that. Fantastic. We are actually pulling a lot of people through here instead of going through the main highway, which should be taking strain off of this area. Yeah, this needs work. This needs work. Though a lot of people are just coming around here to go around this way. Huh. It's almost as if I have found a way to optimize this. There we go. That's somewhat better. Somewhat. I mean, it's not perfect, but that's better. The traffic's actually moving now. Okay, we have improvement. We definitely have a little bit of improvement. This is still an issue, but we will continue to work on it. I wonder why people don't enter over here. Why does everyone like to enter here? It's craziness, that's what it is. How's Vooperland doing? Ooh, you're almost at 10,000. How exciting. So many people having fun at Vooperland. Still a money sink, but it's worth it. And now we can start that massive industrial sector we were talking about. Let's design it. Now, since it's an industrial center, it's going to have a lot of heavy trucks, so we're going to use a very heavy road. It's going to kind of hug the railroad line for a bit. Although we're going to need space to put the hub, so we'll do this for an area to put the hub. Oh, it's raised off the ground. Oh, you know what? We'll keep it that way. So over here the hub will go. And I'll go like this. And now we're gonna make a direct connection. Heavy connection, a full 3-lane highway. Going onto the highway. So they can go that way. And a full 3-lane in. And having such a massive amount of I want to say bandwidth, but that's not really the word used for cars, but the amount of people we can push through this lane is huge. What if we wrapped this around to the other side so we could send them in, then take them? I don't know, that may be a little bit excessive. They can just use this lane for anything, really, or everything. So what we'll do is we'll continue designing this. So we'll make some major lanes leading up. And then, of course, they're gonna have to go jump up to this. Once again, up. That's a one-way road. We don't want that. We want a two-way road. Okay, so that's all set. Now this is going to connect over here. It's gonna drop down to here. And this is going to come like this. It's gonna go like this, and it's gonna go like this. And if you're wondering why, here's the answer. So that we can fit not one, but two stations here without them really getting stuck. And it's somewhat symmetrical too, which looks nice. And we can wrap these. Around here. Fantastic. So now we have our railway connection. Oh, this looks fantastic. I'm really liking how this is coming out. I think you guys are gonna like it too. Oh, this is going very well. Okay, so now that we have that all set up, this highway system here, the railway, the heavy roads. This may be one of the best episodes I've done in a long time, just because I'm getting so much done. So now we want these roads to come into here to move people in and out from this area. But there's no real reason to connect these together, because we can use this huge road for a lot. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create a little self-contained area for the businesses. That'll be over here. That'll be there. That'll be the shell of it, and then we will have many. If we do a one-way, then they'll just come around and go to the other side and then come... Ooh, that's not a bad idea. And this is right next to these as well. Actually, that's an even better idea. Here we go. Idea time. We have a center line coming up that's one way that comes over here. We make this also one way, so they have to go through this way. So there's the ISO 1. We'll have this come down and do the same thing over here. Which means that this can also be one way. And I'll come out here if they're trying to go around. And then these can all be one-way roads going across like this. Fantastic. Now, something I am going to have to figure out is whether or not this works well before I extend it onto this side. I don't see why it wouldn't, though, so we're going to go ahead and open that up almost immediately. We'll push this up a bit more to protect the residential, and then we will zone a lot of industrial on the side here, and actually just all of it pretty much. Let's give them what they want. All the jobs you could possibly need. Absolutely ridiculous amount of work, but that's a lot of area for businesses. Look at that. That is wonderful. So here we have them building up in here. And I guess we'll see. So we've got the trucks coming up. Now people do have to go to work, which is why we have these. So the people go to work by coming up here. They go in here. And hopefully they'll go one of the ways to get to their job. I don't know where this guy's going. He's just going all the way to the highway, I see. Wow, we have some nice big factories forming over here. And there they go. The freight comes out. Oh, these guys. These guys are being forced to go this way. That's an issue. So instead of what we'll do, I don't know if this will cause serious issues though, but we'll try this. We'll make everything point inwards. And then they all go to that main area here, where they then go out. And when they go out, they go to the area where they then go into this station for their freight. Or if they don't want to do that, they go out here back into the city. I think this needs power to run. So what we'll do is we will connect it to power. There we go, and they're online now. Let's see if anyone ever actually uses it. I mean, it's certainly an option. And this has to go this way. And these are gonna have to go this way eventually. Oh shoot, services. Services are going to be important. So those are gonna be safe, but we need one over here. Make that safe, and we'll put one over here as well. Oh wow, they're so happy. Oh, these guys are so happy actually. They're all upgrading, yay. Did they have no fire service before? Oh, these guys down here still have very poor fire service. We'll put them there. Over here, they're complaining too. There you go, fire service. Be happy. The trees are kind of triggered. They can't figure out. Oh, they're blue now, but they're red now. Whatever. I did the best I could. Oh wow, they're all upgrading. Fantastic. Great. It's looking good. It's looking very good. This massive industrial district is going to need a name. It's going to eat a chunk out of the other districts. I'm just going to call it INDUSTRIA. So many people are leaving because there's no people to actually take these jobs. We need more people, but guess what? This area can become a complete workhorse. There's nothing keeping us from raising the density of these buildings. Let's become a city, shall we? Let's pack as many people in here as we can. Let's get some people going to those jobs. I think our profits are about to jump quite a bit, because we are about to endure the Industrial Revolution. So, our first very urban area on this part of the map is now building up. We'll see how this goes. Industria needs to be saved. We need more people to work. Yeah, we have more than enough education. We have more than enough. Ooh, we could use another university, though. So we will make a modern technology institute right outside of all of these that are right here. Well, that's in the middle of the factories. How about over... We put it here. That's a busy area, though. What about over here? That's another industrial area. These guys need education. Maybe right here? I mean, there's industry behind it, but it is a technology building, so... You know, what we'll do is we'll place it here, and we will rezone this. Because we want the industry to move up to Industria anyways. So we will zone all of this. A lot of people upgrading, which is great. We'll unzone all of that. We will make all of this high density commercial. And then we will put some high density residential around the college. Fantastic. We have our Technology Institute. Everyone's happy about it. Hopefully people are now going to work. And things are working. Oh, we've got people sending their freight in where it's supposed to be going. That's very good. Oh, this is a normal train station. This isn't a cargo one. That's why we're having issues. Well, shoot. That was a dumb one. These ones are a bit bigger, too. We can still make this work. Well, that was stupid. I apologize. You guys are probably like, you are stupid. But it's fine. I'm fixing it. Please forgive me. Or I have made a mistake. A pretty dumb mistake. Whatever. Fix that later. Darn. got a few issues. Slope too steep. So we're just going to flatten out the area then. Use my magic terraformer. Much better. And that seems pretty even. Thankfully, we have enough space still to make this work. Silly me, using the wrong type of train station. That end's all set. Now this end's all set. That should make the industry pretty happy. Yep, I see some upgrading going on. Are they actually going to use it, though? That's the question. Will they use it? Now I see some fancy areas popping up, some very nice industrial buildings. But that's gonna be it for... Oh, shoot, your ceiling is kind of going into the bridge. Yeah, let's just make sure that doesn't happen, shall we? We'll just fix that up. Ooh! Roller coaster and Ferris wheel. We'll do that next time. There we go, that works. It's a little bit bumpy, but it does work. Beautiful. Fantastic. The best. Well, guys, thank you for watching. It looks like that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys like what's going on in the series. We've been doing a lot of work to making the city look and feel nicer and just function better in general. And I think this is probably one of the fanciest cities we've made so far, especially when it comes to our road system. Look at this! This is just fantastic in every way. And we lead up here. Even this isn't as backed up as it used to be. Can still use some improvement, though. Definitely could use some improvement. I have ideas, though. We'll work on that later. But then we come over here. This interchange is working beautifully, and so is this, even though this isn't actually acting as an interchange right now. It's not actually changing anything anywhere, so we'll just have to hope it does work. This isn't really doing much yet. We don't really see anyone going into it. I don't know why. But who knows? Not me. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.